you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say thank you. Maraming salamat po. I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. Well, it's time for unboxing. First impression. I got this product a couple of weeks ago when my mom came back from Manila. I cannot consider as a makeup haul kind of thing. This is just a simple makeup shopping. This has a very similar with my video tutorial, nothing over $8. These are legit a Filipino makeup brand, and I've known them long time ago when I was in high school. One that I love here is the Bilena. Bilena has been there for a long time. Nichido, I think as well. I got a total of 966 pesos here, equivalent to I think that's it. Yeah, it's not even $20. My nieces grabbed me a full face, almost a full face makeup products. So I got a couple of items here that I'm going to share with you, and it's been a while since the last time I used Filipino made cosmetics. In a way, in Manila or in Philippines for a long time. I was born and raised in the city of Pasay, so if you guys from Pasay and you are watching my channel, I would like to invite you to please come join me in. Of all the things, makeup is the real thing. Next to food, I have these two different brand names which I wanted to share with you. All the information, I'm going to put all the links down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Without further delay, let's dig into it. The first product is a foundation. This is the Bilena Pro Flawless Finish Foundation. They got me in, what's this? Beige. And this is 185 pesos. What else? This is not, I don't think this is cruelty free, but this Get Ready With Me. What the heck? Let me put my products here, and I'm telling you, I'm dropping everything. What the heck? This foundation is scented. Okay, next product is, I'm looking for at least a concealer. Since I don't have a concealer, came from this bag. What I'm going to use is an Bilena face powder with vitamin E. And this powder is, how much is this? This is 100 pesos. Not bad. Equivalent to how much? Less than $2? There is some good stuff out there that is like $1, $2. Oh, there you go. Okay. The eyebrows, which is very, very important to me. This is the Bilena Advanced Perfect Eyebrows. I'm going to use my ABH spoolie because this eyebrow pencil doesn't go with spoolie. Oh, okay, there's contour. Oh, there's highlighter. And this is Bilena Contour Duo. I think this is in light to medium color tone. I'm going to use my Murphy R1, and I'm going in with this dark color from the palette, and I'm going to use that to work on my contour. Why you're not picking up, girl? You know, they're beautiful products. I used them way back when I was in high school. I think, yeah, high school. I started using Bilena when I was in high school, and but not everything ever Bilena, because since my grandmother introduced me Max Factor back in the day, and I fell in love with some of Max Factor product, which is, for me, it was pricey, but I love hand-me-down from my grandma. I remember she gave me this red lipstick and I said, I'm not going to use that, girl. Let's move on. I'm going to contour my nose, of course. Let's unbox it. And this is from Nichido. This is the Bare Basic palette. There's a blush on in it, and there's at least 4 basic nude color in this palette, which is, for me, this is a very essential to a minimalist makeup enthusiast like me. And I like the mirror. I can see my whole face in it. And I'm going in with this beigey color here as my base. And I'm going to, ooh, what the heck? What's that? I think I got the wrong brush. Let's do this. How about this? There you go. I'm using BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, and this is, what number is this? This is their V10 vegan series brush. What did I do? This color is very shimmery. Moving on, I'm going in with this 2 color here. I was expecting at least 1 matte finish, but unfortunately I don't have matte finish in this palette. These are all shimmers. I'm going to use this single shadow. This is from Nichido as well, and it says here gold foil. I'm going to use Y15 to blend in my eyeshadows. Moving on, we are going to use, what's this? This is Nichido. This is a liquid eyeliner and a mascara. Okay, moving on, we are going to work on our blush on, and I'm using a Real Technique 300 brush. For my lipstick, I'm going to use Ever Bilena. And that's it for our video tutorial for today. Thank you so much. Before you head out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload new video. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Mahal ko kayo. In English, I love you guys.